Hey yo! So guys, today we're doing an unboxing video. Medyo matagal na siya natenga dito pero ngayon lang ako nagkaroon ng time mag-unbox. So i-unbox na natin siya. I am talking about this. Ito ay galing sa Great Toys online. Picked it up ng Potoycon. So maraming salamat kay Boss Malvin for sending this over. This is actually the ano ko sa inyo. Ito yung harap niya. So this is the BWFC Supermaster Star Piece ni Portgas D Ace. So medyo malaki siya. If medyo familiar kayo sa BWFC series, ito yung mga Bandai World Figure Coliseum 3. So, meron silang mga competition. I saw an episode, 2 episodes on Crunchyroll a couple of weeks ago. Parang inisip ko bakit ano siya. So, parang ang sistema pala dito is they get all the popular toy sculptors or creators, tapos parang may challenge of sila. So, binibigyan sila ng concept na i-unbox nila. Tapos, ayun, pagalingan, pagandahan, and parang just blow everybody's mind. So, ito yung collaboration na yung mga winners, ginagawa nilang toy. Nilalabas nila as statues or as collectibles. So, ito yung kaso na to, nanalo to. So, si One Piece to. Again, si Portgas D Ace, what does it say here? Ayan, oh. Ayan. Alright. On the side, ito yung box. So, medyo malaki yung box, medyo bulky din siya. Pero, ako, after ko buksan to, I will definitely keep this. Kasi, syempre, maganda rin yung So, box art is really good. So, 10 out of 10 maganda. So, itatago ko yung box art. So, ito rin yung niya. Ayan. And, ito yung side, same side. So, ano pang hinihintay natin? Buksan na natin ito and papakita ko sa inyo kung ano ang laman, paano i-ano to. Let's go! Okay, so mamaya na lang siguro yung base. Ikabit na natin to. This is yung full face ni Ace, which really looks really good. By the way, really looks good. So, kudos for the design. The BWFC pala. So they really did an awesome job dito. You can even see the tats ni Ace dito sa side na to. So really, all angles, ang ganda ng pagkakagawa. So really, just you have to do is just stick this in and kakabit mo lang tong peg na to dito. At least magkamali pa ako, kaya naman yan. So ayun lang. Susundan mo lang naman yung easy to snap lang naman. I spoke too soon. Pero ayan, kakabit mo lang naman siya. Snap. Ayan. So, snap. Ayan na. Naka-snap na siya dyan. And, ayan. Okay naman siya. Maganda naman siya, no? Again, guys, hindi to action figure. This is just like a statue or a figure lang na, na steady lang siya din sa, I'm looking for the, ito yan. So, susundan mo lang talaga yung yung match nung butas nung peg. So, ito, ayan. So, kailangan makabit mo lang siya ng kabit mo lang siya ng ganyan. Ayan. And, I guess yung paa din, ganyan din. Kabilang side. Ayun, nag-snap. Snap! Pag nag-snap, guys, okay na yan. Okay na siya. Ganyan lang. So, ayan na. Ito na siya. I'm gonna move the camera a little bit just to see, para makita nyo yung pero ito siya. Ayan. Or it's better like that. Yung clear So, ayan yung niya. As you can see, ganyan. And syempre, andyan yung logo, yung tats ni tats ng Whitebeard Pirates na niya, sa likod niya. This is a mark ng pagiging family. So, by the way, and ngayon ko nakita dito sa box, the sculptor nito is si Pwede gumanda. Ang sculptor nito ay si Noriyuki Yamaguchi ng Zero Studio. And this is also produced by Bandai Spirits, and this is produced also by Norihiko Sakata. So, ayun, Super Master Stars Piece, D Portgas, D Ace, The Brush A. If I am not mistaken, also the reason why they are going so far into showing why it's called The Brush, kasi kung makikita mo dito sa side na to, eto, ayan, sa side ng box na yun, parang pinapakita nila yung different paint applications nung ano nila. So, meron kang 2-dimension, the tones, tapos naglagay sila ng original, and then yung brush stroke na approach dun sa ano. After this, siguro I'm gonna show you more glam photos, glam shots ng figure na to. Pero as of now, this really looks good. This is available still online. Great Toys Online. Visit them on their website and also on Shopee. You can see a lot of great stuff there. Ako, honestly, manganganak tong mga figures na to ng One Piece. Hands down, manganganak talaga. Pero for now, this is really a good product that you could pick up if you're a fan ng One Piece or Ace. And ito ayan kita mo yun. Hindi ko alam kung makikita siya ng camera, pero you can see the brush strokes that they used here. Ayan. Mukha nga lang pero you can see the outline ng quality ng painting nila. Even sa muscles ni Ace dito sa side na to, you can also see ayan, how well detailed and well sculpted. And syempre, for the ladies, for the girlies, ayan, ulam, pandesal, ayan. And then the look on the face of Ace, really good. Appreciate it. Maganda yung quality. So, ayun, wag niyo lang siyang hanapan ng donut kasi alam mo na. Also, maganda yung medyo maganda I just wanted to point out yung quality ng beads niya dito. Maganda. So, ayun, after this, I'll show you more detailed shots ng figure na to. It's still available online. Just go and get it visit it on Shopee and check them out online. So again, thank you Great Toys for sending this over or for giving this over. Ang ganda. I love it. We'll look for a really good place to display this. Anyway, guys, thank you for watching. I hope you can subscribe, like this channel, like this video, and hit the bell icon so that makakakita pa kayo ng ibang mga contents. One Piece, toys, geek culture in general. So, thanks guys. Have a nice day. Thank you guys for watching. Bye-bye.